Some time ago, I found it very difficult to come up with video ideas, but thanks to Think Media and then their technique, I was even able to come up with 15 good video ideas within a minute. The first way is to answer specific questions. This has to deal with the whys, the hows and whats of your niche. So let's say on this channel, my video idea could be maybe how to get views, or why is my YouTube channel not growing, and so many more. So you have to answer a specific questions according to your niche. And with this particular way, you can be able to come up with lots of video ideas for your channel. By the ending of this video, you'll be able to come up with almost 20 video ideas just from watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and then like the video. The second way is to review specific products. You would have to look at your niche, products that are related to your niche, then you make videos about them. Here on TubePassion, we are a tech channel and a YouTube channel, so we would make videos about tripods, we will make videos about studio lights, maybe cameras, mobile phones, because that is our niche. Moving on, the next way is to teach specific skills. Teaching specific skills doesn't mean you have to go and learn a skill you are not good at just to come and teach on your channel. You would have to look at your niche, a specific skill that you know that is related to your niche, like here on TubePassion. As I would always use for an example, maybe I could be teaching video editing, I could be teaching camera handling, how to set up a studio. There are specific skills related to my niche. You see how you can apply all these steps to get video ideas. By now, I'm very sure you are very happy because you have gotten some video ideas. So far, if you have gotten an idea from what I have just taught, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that I'll know that you are really getting value from my content. So with these 3 ways, you can come up with lots of video ideas. And then after coming up with video ideas, I'm very sure you would want views on those videos. So make sure you watch the next video. I am Cyril and this is TubePassion. Make sure you subscribe for more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and anything tech related. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.